Our Business and Economics faculty is located in Hungary, in the heart of Europe. Europe offers great business opportunities and perspectives for the Asian regions. Therefore, considering a business diploma, a business degree from Europe is of high importance. Our Faculty of Business and Economics offers 3 different bachelor programs in English training language and a Master of Business Administration, an MBA degree for the more advanced careers and students. Our Master of Business Administration MBA program offers a great opportunity for those students who are already advanced in their careers. The bachelor programs consist of tourism and hospitality management, international business economics, and business and management studies. These are very relevant economic areas of the economic structure, also in Europe and also in most of the countries. Knowing the professional side of tourism, knowing the professional side of international economic relations, and knowing the professional information on business management is the key for a successful operation of any enterprise. The Business and Economics faculty currently has approximately 1,000 students, including about 100 international students. The training language of the faculty is Hungarian and English. The applicants on the international English language courses can completely finish their studies in English training language. For those looking for an advanced degree in economics, we highly recommend the mentioned MBA, Master of Business Administration. This degree offers a double degree possibility with Netherlands Business Academy. So the applicants joining our study program can have a Hungarian and a Dutch master degree as well at the same time. We are looking forward to receive applications from all around the world in a welcoming and prosperable city in the middle of Hungary, in the heart of Europe.
The John von Neumann University in Kecskemét has a great location because it's an intensively and dynamically developing region, so-called the pantry of Hungary, with a lot of horticultural production and processing plant. Since 2023, the Horticultural Engineering BSc course is also available in English in our faculty. Our infrastructure is wide if we check the type of green spaces, practice farmland, demonstration garden, arboretum, greenhouses, or community garden. In addition to these live textbooks, we are proud of the accredited laboratory where our colleagues analyze the micro and micronutrient of soil and plant materials. It's also a strength of our faculty, the practice-oriented training. We provide versatile range of practical education from soil preparation and propagation through plant care to harvesting. In education, we place emphasis on rapidly developing scientific fields that are innovative in practice, for example, nutrient management, irrigation, plant protection, or climate change. We teach the environmental friendly technologies, so-called precision agriculture. You can study by us sustainable vegetable production, integrated fruit growing and viticulture, or ornamental plant application if you choose Horticulture Engineering BSc in John von Neumann University. Please connect our team where the atmosphere is family-like and you have possibility for individual personalized training. We are waiting for you in Kecskemét, the Faculty of Horticulture and Rural Development.
We are especially keen on providing practical education developing life skills. The first 4 semesters of the computer engineers course make up the foundation of the course, followed by 3 specializations. Network security and operations gives a deep knowledge of the planning and secure operations of IT networks, Windows and Linux server skills, Cisco, Huawei, MikroTik and Fortinet technologies in the network lab. Mobile and web development is mostly for those who like programming, Android and iOS development, and we have our own Apple Machine Lab. Industrial computer science specialization is for those who like electronics, microcontrollers and robots. We have a unique robot lab available at the department. In the 7 semesters, students have to complete an internship and write their thesis. The network lab is equipped with its own internal network and can be used for testing server functions, network operations and cyber defense research. The Apple Room is a special room for developing iOS applications, and students can even practice remotely on their platforms. The Robot Lab gives students the opportunity to learn about the industrial environment. Here you can see the collaborative robot and the production line robot. Hungary, and especially Kecskemét, offers high-quality education with low education fees, an internationally recognized degree, and all this in the heart of Europe, where gastronomy is a fantastic experience.
The mechanical engineering program is one of our newest programs. We will launch it from 2025 September. And in this program we will have many specializations. So at the first semesters our students will learn the basics, and from the 5th semester, if they collect at least 100 credits, they can choose one of these specializations. Our mechanical engineering program is practice orientated, so our students can use our laboratories, our equipment without our professors independently, but after teaching them how to use these equipment. So that's one of our strongest point, and that's why we differ from other universities. So we let our students to use our machines in our laboratories. This program is one of our newest programs. We have renewed for our industrial partners in that way that we have combined a list of subjects, and we gave to our industrial partners who are highly respected in the industry. They have reviewed our document and suggested changes to us. And in this way we teach. So we are close with these industrial partners and we are teaching mechanical engineering students for the industry also. So in the innovative vehicles and materials department we have many racing teams. Our students can join into these teams. So in this way I invite our new students to come and join to our teams, because they will get great experience with building various types of electric bikes, with solar cars, racing teams, formula cars. As you can see, our laboratories, our university is very friendly, very well equipped, so you can come to our university and we are very innovative, as John von Neumann was at his time also.